Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay November 27, 2024, Wednesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong November 27, 2024, Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Wednesday, November 27, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2 PM draw ng 3D Lotto. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for November 27, 2024, Wednesday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates for Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for November 27, 2024, Wednesday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of November 27, 2024, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.